Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a single sliding knot on a bracelet. I'm using wax cotton here. I've threaded a little section of beads onto a length of wax cotton and positioned them with a knot either side. I'm going to lay that, I'm going to cross the ends over like so. And then I've got another length of thread which I'm going to use to make the single sliding knot. So you need to just make a loop there with that thread. So you've got a shorter and longer length, like so. Then you're going to just place that thread underneath your bracelet and hold that in place. And with the longer length, you're going to wrap around everything 3 or 4 times. And then you pass the thread back up through those loops that you've just made. And then you want to pull at either end, and you'll find that it will form. You might need to unravel it a little bit. Yeah, it will form a sliding knot there. So it's just a nice, neat little way of creating a simple sliding knot. So once you've done that, so once you've got your knot in place, you just need to tie off all these ends. So start by tying off the ends that belong to the knot. So just take the thread and position a knot right up close to the sliding knot you've just made. And then you can make some knots as well on the actual bracelet. What you need to do is check the size. So you need to make the bracelet, you need to open the bracelet up so it's just big enough to slide over your hand. So once you know that that's big enough that it's just going to slide over your hand, then that's when you can tie the knots. So I know that's going to slide over my hand at that size, so I'm going to tie my other knots up close. Okay, once we've got our 4 knots in place, we can use some thread scissors to trim back the excess. And then on each knot, I'm just going to put a tiny little bit of hypo cement glue if you've got it, or any glue. It's not, you don't have to, but it's just a little bit of extra security. You might just want to pull your bracelet threads out a little bit